ETFs are exchange traded fund, and they are like a basket that houses a lot of stocks. So if you waste time in doing research in individual stocks, ETFs gives you that rest of mind that the fund managers are going to do this research for you, because they are going to pack everything together, and all you need to do is just to buy it as a whole, and you make profit, and also you earn dividends depend on your entry and your exit. That is what determines how much you make from ETFs. So guys, that is what we are going to be discussing today, and I'm going to be showing you some few ETFs. I'm not telling you to buy, just we do some brief analysis and look at some interesting opportunities, and maybe subsequent video after I've done my due diligence, I might bring one or two for you to buy. And mind you, it's a slow way of making money. So most times dividends is ETF is just for dividends most times. So without wasting time, my name still remain Investor Joe, and you are welcome to the Financial Edge, where you learn how to gain financial freedom via trade and investment. So I want to say congratulations. We are starting a new month. Happy July. And we hope that this month we're able to have amazing results. For last month, our result is still counting, which is Caverton and Nemit. So keep your eyes on the ground, and let's see how much we're able to make this July. And for the Wealth Circle, congratulations to you guys. We are hitting the ground running. All what we are doing this week is preparation. And next week, we're able to click the buy button. So guys, let's move straight into the list. So this is what we have here. We have the VetGrief 30, we have the Stanbic ETF 30, we have the VetBank, we have the VetGoals, which is this one track consumer goods, and we have the Vet Index ETF. This one tracks industrial goods, and we have the we have the Marvalue, we have the New Gold, we have the Lotus Hala 15, we have the Margrowth, and we have the VSP Bond ETF. So guys, you want to look at the deals. You want to ensure you are buying what actually has volume. That is what you want to do. So you can see this one, we have 28 deals. These deals that you are seeing is for a week, it's not for a day. So you see that a lot of people are not trading these ETFs. But if you're smart, based on what I've seen in the research, I think there is a huge opportunity in this space. But that is if you have money that you can live for a long time. That is what you want to be doing with ETFs. For now, I know very soon we are going to pick up, and a lot of volume will start coming in. So for throughout a week, which was last week, we only had 28 people who are interested in VetGrief 30. And we also have Stanbic ETF 30 also. We have VetBank, we have VetGoals, and up to New Gold. The rest was actually low. For Lotus Ala, we have 7. For Margrowth, 7. For VSP Bond ETF, we have 4. For Green W ETFs, we have only 2. So if you look at the total value here, we have 50 million traded, and the volume is 71,000. And you can see the highest so far is VetGrief 30. So we are going to look at some list here. So when you come to your chart, you want to click on this area here. So if you type ETF, it's going to give you the list of all these things that I've shown you, all this one that I've shown you. It's going to show you the list. So now you use this to track the deals. You know which one you are interested in and which one a lot of people are interested, because you don't want to go and buy what only you is interested in, because it's only you that will be trading with yourself. So you want to go where the volume is, where the numbers is. So you see 31. So look at what you have here. So you have all this here. So look at what we have. Now we are going to look at Greenwich Alpha ETF. So we'll come to the chart. We have Greenwich Alpha here. Once you click it, it's going to show you this. Remember, I'm using the weekly time frame, because if you are going into this kind of trade, you want to have long term in mind. So this is actually interesting. You can see how the chart is. It will amaze you that these ETFs have done almost 4,000 before, and currently selling for 276. That is the Greenwich Alpha ETF. So let's look at some information here. So if you come to African market, it's currently selling for 276, where we have some chart analysis here and see some volume, and you can see 52 weeks range. You see how the movement has been. It has not been too amazing. So Greenwich Fund is an exchange traded fund incorporated in Nigeria and track performance of NSE 30. So this actually tracks performance of NSE 30. And NSE 30 of the truth has actually been going up. I don't have much time. I would have shown you the NGS 30 and to see how the performance is going. So, but we were told that that is what they actually track, and we have it here also. You can see it has done 0.01%, and the volume is actually 103, while the value is 28,448. So that's the value. Today's, you can see the 52 weeks high 991. So question, are we going back to that place? You wouldn't know. Look at it from investing.com. We have the price and look at the volume, and this is the value every day. Today we still have the price. This is the open price. It opened 276.17. It went high to 276.20 and low to same 276.20, and the percentage change was 0.01. There are some days you have good numbers. See, it got to 300 here, which was this same June. You can see it got to 400. You can see it get to 425. So guys, the question is there something you need to know about this? That's why I'm showing you all this data, so that you can see how it has established some certain patterns, and you want to see how you can take advantage of these patterns. So that is for this stock that is tracking the NGS 30. And when it was listed 2019 on the floor of the exchange. That is August 20th to be precise, and that is when they did the initial public offering. So let's jump to another information here. You can get it also on Bloomberg. So we also have other ETFs. Let us go through other ETFs. We have the Vetiva banking ETFs. This is also interesting, and I want to show you a page where you see, okay, look at the price, and if you are sure that banking stocks are going to do well, you want to pay attention to this particular ETF. You can see it gained 5%, which is a good sign that the stock is actually performing and a lot of people are actually buying it. So let's quickly jump to Vetiva. Okay, this is it. So these are the stocks. You can see here we have the NGS banking. You can see month to date. You can see the ETF price, and you can see how it has been performing. So let's quickly jump to the stocks that are actually being traded here. So okay, I think that information is not here. It should be here. Let's check it very well. Vetiva banking. Okay, this is it here. So this is the top holdings. So you can see the highest so far is 20%, which I think is Unity Bank from this color. While here is 20%, which is UBA, and we have 34%, which is Zenith. So these are all the banks they are tracking. They are tracking Zenith, UBA, Access, ETF, Fidelity, Sterling, Wema, Jais Bank, and Unity Bank. So another one you might be interested in is the Lotus Allah. So the Lotus Allah are actually ethical trading. They don't trade all those stocks that sells, for example, Champion Brewery. They don't deal with that. They don't do banking. So they actually do core trading, like normal stocks. When I mean normal stock, I'm talking about consumer, industrial, and that does not cause harm to people's health. And why they don't do banking is, banking has interest and they are not interested in it. So you can see these are the holdings that they have. They have Presco, Kumoye, Nestle, they have National Salt, they have Cadbury, Unilever, Cement. That's Cement Company of Nigeria. They have Total, Nigeria Aviation, NACO, Dangote Sugar, Dangote Cement. So these are everything that these ETFs are actually having. So guys, I just want to show you this on a quick note. We talk about the ETF that is tracking NGS 30. We talk about the ETF that is tracking banking, and now we talk about the Lotus Allah that is actually tracking interesting stocks from different industry, except that of banking and that of the alcohol industry. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subsequent video, I'm going to pick one, do the perfect research, and also give guidance how we are going to trade it so that we can make money also from these ETFs. And I'm also going to talk about funds and give you best funds that can give you 20% return in a year and show you how to compound your money. So guys, this is what I just want to have This is what I want to share with you. So in case you're just joining, you're just watching me for the first time, ensure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. Until we see again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you all, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. And to a salute. See you in the next one. Bye.